Sometimes I feel mad. A social story about being mad and calming down. By Social Stories by Alan. Sometimes I feel mad, angry, or frustrated. It is okay to feel this way, but I should not feel this way for too long. I need to encourage myself to feel happy again. I get mad when I lose at a game, when a friend does not share, when my teacher tells me to do something, when I do not get what I want, or anything else. When I get mad or angry, I sometimes scream, hit, throw things, cry, and pound my hands on the floor. That is not okay and is unexpected. When my friends and people see me do this, it gives them weird thoughts about me. They see that I'm being unexpected. It makes them feel sad. When I feel this way, I need to tell an adult, calm down, and remember everything will be okay. These mad feelings will go away soon. To help me calm down, I can breathe in deep and slow until I am calm and count to 10. I can ask for a break, ask to take a walk, or I can go into a safe space to be alone to calm myself. When I am calm, I can go back to doing what I was doing before I got really mad. That makes everyone feel happy. I like feeling happy and being expected. If I practice ways to calm down, I can feel happy more and be expected all the time. Let's practice breathing and counting together. Ready? Go. Breathe in, breathe out, and count to 10. Thanks for watching. Check out these other videos. Don't forget to subscribe.